What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2012 Harley Davidson Sportster 48. It's a 1200. Let's take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Starting here in the back, you can see that there is a ton of tread left on that tire. I mean, I'm going to call that like 80 or 90%. Good to go for a long time. Definitely good for any kind of state inspection. Definitely safe to ride on. Of course, you have your license plate holder here. Does have the shorter fender. That's one of the things that the 48 is different than the other Sportsters. Got your 2 turn signals, and the taillights are also there as well. Here on the rear fender is a few things I wanted to point out. So there's some scratches here. So if I can get it to come up there, right there. Those scratches, and some scratches here and here and here. No idea what would have caused those. It's interesting that they're on both sides, but they are there. Of course, you can see that spoked rear wheel. Let's say it does have the factory exhaust on it. Come along there. Of course, you have that rear suspension, have your belt guard. Of course, you have your oil reservoir on this side. It does have the solo seat. There's that. Keep moving up. You can see the tank is that, I don't know what you call that blue, but it's got some flake in it. Got the 48 and the Harley Davidson on the side of the tank there. Tank's in nice shape. There is the motor. That's all that. Of course, you have your air cleaner there. There's a 5-speed. You have that. You have your rider peg down here. You got your rear brake. It does have the solo mirror here underneath the handlebars. See those up there. There's your front wheel. Got that spoked front wheel. Spin it around. Does not have the front fender. But you can see the fork tubes here are in nice shape. There they are. There's that front wheel. Let's jump over and see the other side. There's that. All the way down to, there's your front brake and the spoked front wheel on that side. Come up here to the front. This front tire looks like about the same tread as the back tire. I'm gonna call it 80%. You know, definitely good to ride on, definitely good for any kind of state inspection. Let's keep going here. We're gonna look at the tank. On this side, we got some scratches on the tank down here, and some scratches on the tank up here. Make sure you make note of that if you're interested in this bike. Again, you got the 48 kind of like ghost letters in there with the Harley Davidson. I think it looks good on the blue. There's the motor there. And there's your rider peg and your shifter. Of course, you have your kickstand down here. Your side cover, cover up the battery. You got your ignition here. Got your swing arm coming back. Got some marks there. I'm not sure what would have caused that, but you can see them right there at my pointer finger. And you got some light scratching going on here on the rear fender. As I mentioned before, it is the solo seat. You can see that is in good shape. You know, all the seams are good. And the seat itself is, I mean, I'd say it probably airs a little bit more on the uncomfortable side, but it goes with that 48 look. Coming up over the tank, of course you have your fuel cap. You got your clutch, your controls, brake, your throttle. Of course you have your gauge up here, all your indicators. Go ahead and turn this thing on. See that it has 5,040 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. Let's fire it up. Let's make sure these turn signals work. Get your front signal here, and get your front signal on this side. There's your rear one on that side, and your rear one on this side. All right, guys, like I said, this is a 2012 Harley Davidson Sportster 48 1200. Got a little over 5,000 miles on it. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube and check the bike out at Srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.